grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello all you wonderful people out there, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabby.
And it's the Chris representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, for today's video, we will be sharing with you where we've been all this time. Anyways, before we get into the video, what should they do?
Subscribe, like, share and comment below.
Yeah,
Remember
guys. So before we even start, huge apologies from the both of us.
We are really so sorry.
It's even too late to say Happy New Year.
No, it's never too late. Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year's, guys. My goodness.
Things only can get better, right?
Things can only get better. So where we've been, let's backtrack a bit. You know, I feel like we were doing so well in the end of last year. You know, in September we said, okay, we want to get our life, our YouTube channel, you know, in griff. You know, and then we said,
actually posted a video every week.
Yeah, that took a lot of pre-filming, pre-editing. We had everything planned to the T because we knew we were gonna be busy for the next few months, and everything was going well.
Yeah. Until life happens.
Life happened.
From end of September, start of October, everything just went upside down. You know, sometimes life just puts something in your way what you have to deal with, like, and that's what happened to us.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future we will share that with you, but right now we don't really feel like that.
Yeah, true. And plus, the videos went until in the middle of December, but then it was time to now do some fresh Christmas content and so on. You know, I was also struggling with school stress, deadlines, and I was trying to get stuff done, and
stress at work because holidays is always big time there where I work. It's like one event haunts the next event, like, true. Oh my god,
just to entertain everyone there, you know. So that was that. Then the new year started, and things started to get a little bit okay. They were still stressful, but things were starting to get better, but also interesting things happened. So first, we'll share your story. I don't know if you guys noticed something. Someone is looking different.
Yeah, somebody's looking different here too.
True, I've got new glasses, but for you, she has no glasses, guys. Can you tell?
Yeah, it's so strange. Believe me, up to this date, I still want to put on my glasses and take them off, and it's so weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, by the grace of God, I decided to go to the eye doctor. I went with
that was last year.
Yeah, last year, and never expected anything, like, you know, just the usual checkup, and maybe you need some new glasses or something, and then all of a sudden she said I have glaucoma. I think that's what you call it, right?
I think it's cataract.
Or cataract, yeah. And first she said it's on the left eye, then I went back in next week or so, and then she said it's on the other eye too. So I was like, I thought this only happened to really old people, like past 80, 90 or something, and it's happened to other people, but boy, not to me, like. But I can't watch any horror movie or anything at all also, but when it comes to teeth and eye, I close my eye. Then I really get scared. So I was so scared, oh my god. And the first time also my two girls came.
Yeah, man,
they followed me because you're not supposed to go home alone.
Of course, because they just do
because
surgery
you
on
get
your
something
eye.
on top of your eye, and I didn't feel anything from the operation, like, which everybody told me that before.
Yeah, so the surgery
I
was
still
this
scared,
year.
yeah. The surgery was pretty fast, maybe like 10 minutes or so. But the waiting, the first time I had to wait 2 hours. Can you imagine 2 hours? My heart was like boom, boom. I was, oh my god. Then a week after was the second eye. We had to do drops every 4 hours.
True, we forgot that part. So every 4 hours you have to do drops.
Can you imagine? So even our deep sleep, we were like...
And I was also fighting deadlines around that time. But like every 4 hours when we came in, you were like in my bed, I had to jump up and say I was scared to do the drops.
Yeah, but she got better with that later on than she did though. Yeah. And I even managed later on to do it myself, which is really hard. I don't know if you ever try to put eye drops in your own eye. It's really weird.
Yeah, so now she can even go to work like this, which is crazy.
Yeah, I can imagine.
How
I
much-
can see.
How much did
I
you
still
have
will
to
need glasses, like, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But you need to wait a few weeks until they can tell you what kind of
strength,
what do you call
glasses,
that? Yeah.
strength, something like that.
So it's not gonna be like that forever. But maybe once in a while I will just walk off without the glasses then. Who knows?
But you have your appointment this week, no? Coming up.
Yeah, actually I
For
have
the
one
glasses.
on Tuesday, but I can't go on Tuesday. I have to cancel that appointment because I have to go on a trip with my people where I work.
Wow. Work come first now.
Yeah, because I promised my colleague, because other colleague is sick. Everybody is sick at work right now. Everybody has
Yeah.
cold. I still have a cold too, but it's getting better. You and Chrissy you and Sarah have
Yeah,
cold too.
we all got sick.
No corona, thanks God, right?
Yeah.
But just the ordinary cold, it still exists.
Yeah, so mommy basically got some terrible news about her eyes in November. Then in January she got her both surgeries, her two surgeries. Then sometime in was it already in February or in January? End of January, I think something weird happened to me, health-wise. Was it end of January?
I think so.
It was so weird, guys. So something like this has never happened to me. It's like I almost fainted, or I don't know
I
what.
think you did faint.
I don't know. I think I did, or almost did. I don't know. It was weird.
I mean, I did talk to her and she was sort of sitting down on the floor like us when I talked to her, and she didn't really respond.
Let me
Not
give
really.
the story. So, you give a quick rundown, I'll try. So, I was cutting up chicken, you know, Jamaican style, with some chicken back, some nice, you know, anyways. So, I started to feel a bit dizzy. Yeah, so I'm like, okay, let me drink some water. Okay, that didn't work. Then I started to feel my ears like pressure. And it was so weird. So I went in my mom's room and I sat on her chair there. She has a little chair. I sat there. I was like, Mom, I feel dizzy. And then she was on her bed and she came over to me and then she was standing in front of me, and like even on the chair I felt like I didn't have any balance. So I was there for a bit and then I was like, okay, I need to go and wash my hands because they still had like raw chicken all over them. So I went to wash my hands and yeah, I had to cut it short because I couldn't do it, you know, I was still feeling dizzy. So then I wanted to come and lay down in my bed, but that didn't work out. Somehow I just ended up stopping right in my door frame there and I just slid down on my back. I don't know how that even happened. It was, I guess my body just knew, okay, you need to get down. I don't know who
Yeah,
told
but
me
thanks
to.
God you didn't fall hard or
Yeah.
anything. You just sort of slide down like.
So when you came and saw me there, you were like screaming, Sarah, Sarah, and I remember they were so far away from me. You guys were so far away from me. What did
I
you
know.
do? Then you got
And I know
me.
that feeling.
First, you got me tangerine before I even fell to the floor, like slowly. You got-
Like, even in my bedroom also, I first give you some chocolate.
Yeah,
but
she
that
gave
was
me
wrong. I
M&M.
knew she needed something sweet, but we didn't have any Pepsi or cola or anything like
Because
that.
her friend would tell her to get.
That she always do with me
Cola.
when I feel like that.
Cause Mama says she also feels dizzy sometimes and stuff. But she said she never felt like she was so far away. No?
No, not for a long time, no.
So anyways, when she was calling Sarah, it was weird because she was like right there, but it felt like they were so far. And in my head there, I was thinking, what if I faint and they cannot bring me back? What if I faint and they can...
Yeah, all kind of things gone through my
I'm
mind
like,
too.
can't you bring me back? I know she learns these things at work and so on. I'm like, I
Yeah,
felt
every
like...
2 years I have to do first aid. You know.
So I felt like I was going. Can't you bring me back? It was so crazy and they were so far away, but they were right there.
It was scary.
Yeah. Anyways, after that, I just said, okay.
Yeah, but you're alive.
After that, I was okay. You fed me tangerines.
Yeah.
And somehow that did something. I don't know if it was that or the faint spell was over
The
or
sweetness
whatever.
or the liquid. Who knows? But it did help.
Yeah, and I felt better. And after that, I kind of started asking why I did my research. Then I even went to the doctor because at one point I was scared to go jogging because I'm, you know, starting to jog more often these days. And then I was scared to even go jogging because I'm like, what if I faint on the roadside somewhere? So I went to the doctor, even though I wasn't sure if I'm overreacting or whatever, but she said, it's good to
Can't
go.
hurt to just check out that.
Just
And
for
you still need
peace
to
of
get
mind.
that other appointment.
Yeah, so she said I should go and get some checking up on my heart or whatever to see, just to be sure it's nothing serious she thinks, but just to make sure. So I still
Just
have
to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
And I hope you're still gonna get that appointment.
Yeah, so we need to make that appointment. And I didn't realize that I missed the other appointment because I was supposed to go back to get blood tested and whatever. I think on the 10th I forgot.
Awesome.
Because I have so much other stuff going on right now. But
That's true.
anyways, yeah, so that's kind of a big update, what really happened, the big things that happened in that time. And we'll have some follow-up videos. We're even planning to like upload one video for every week we missed. We'll try our best to do that. Let's see. I want to promise, but I don't want to promise. Guys, just keep looking out for us this week and see if we get to promise. Oh gosh, I'll try
we will
my
try
best.
our best, definitely.
Yeah guys, so thank you all for watching. It's been a pleasure. It's so weird filming again, but it's also so exciting, and we can start all over again. And
Yeah, and hopefully things sort of turn normalish.
yeah, we need to build back our routine. We want to start pre-filming stuff so that we can
And
also
don't forget us, right? We are still here.
yeah guys, I hope you didn't forget us. And
Yeah.
yeah, please guys, like the video,
Share the video
share the video,
and comment down below.
and comment.
We're always so happy to read your comments, and it really puts a smile on our faces, don't?
Yes. So guys, we see you all in the next one.
Bye.
Peace.